Okay guys, welcome to my new video, how to make free PayPal Cash uh, even while you sleeping on autopilot. You have to take action if you want to succeed with this method. I will show you exactly how you can do it and how you can make $50 to $100 even more every single day on autopilot while you sleeping. Okay, let's start. First, you can please visit Google and type free PLR product. Okay, so you can see here unlimited website that you can download a product. There's a free product and there is paid product. Anyway, this is very cheap product that you can download and save in your computer. Okay, you have to find a good product, a very convert product, and download to your computer. Okay, there is many websites that you can download any product you need and upload and download to your computer. Okay, was step number 1. Now, when you download your product, you have to build a system around your product. Okay, so you can make a landing page, and I will show you one of my landing page like you see here. This is a landing page that I built for my one product, and I am selling this product using this landing page. Make sure you have a very nice title here and you have a good and convert video for your product. Okay, now look, you can upload your product to different websites and you can sell your product in autopilot. All you have to do is download your product and then upload this product to different websites, and I will show you exactly what websites I mean. So you can upload your product and you can sell this product on autopilot. Okay, so one of this website called Selfie. Okay, you have to make an account with this website and upload many product to this website and sell your product. Okay, so one of this website is Selfie. You can join for free. The second website is payhip.com. Okay, this is the same website like Selfie. You can upload many product to this website, and you can promote your link, and I will show you exactly how this working. This is my account and this is my product. You can see here I selling my product. I make money from this product. Okay, Very easy to use this website. You can see this is my earning from this website. Okay, now look, if you don't have a, an account with Payhib and Selfie, and maybe you don't have a host or a domain, I will give you, you can use my product, my landing page. So I can give you for a free to promote. I will give you 3 landing page, but you have to get traffic. Okay, you have to get traffic to your landing page. You can use, of course, social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, okay, for free traffic, and you can make more money promoting this website, this landing page. So I will show you exactly the, sorry. Okay, so you can see this landing page and this landing page and this landing page. All you have to do is just replace your PayPal email address here. Okay, all you have to do just replace your PayPal email address and promote everywhere. Okay, you can get free traffic and make a commission. You can see my last videos how to get free traffic to your landing page, how to promote your link, your affiliate link for free. You can use forums to promote your link. You can type in Google post free ads and you will get unlimited website. I will show you exactly what I mean. Post free ads. Sorry, post free ads. Okay, you can see here unlimited websites that you can post your link for free. Okay, let's go to this website. You can see here you can join for free and you can post your link and make a commission. Okay, so you can use social media, you can use forums, you can use video channels like YouTube to promote your links, make some videos, upload to YouTube and promote your links for a free. Now, if you want a quick results and you want to make money fast money, you can use paid traffic. Not any paid traffic you can use, only real traffic. You have to get only real traffic, not software traffic, not bot traffic. You have to get only real human analytics traffic. Okay, so how to get this real traffic? You can go to Google and type safe traffic rotator. Okay, you can visit this website and you can type your link. You can promote anything with this website. You can use it to promote your ClickBank or a CPA offer. with using this website. The second website that you can use to promote your link is Trafic Cache List. You can see this website. You can get unlimited website traffic. This is very cheap traffic. Like you see here, you can get 30,000 visitors. It's only $18. Okay. The third website that you can use to get traffic is Turbo website traffic. Turbo website traffic.com. Turbo website. Okay, this is the website. You can visit and click advertising, and you can promote anything on this website. Okay, very important. You have to download a good and convert product. Then you have to make around your product a system. Okay, this system is a landing page like this, a catchy title and video proof, and you can sell this product and you can make commission for free. Okay, now remember, you can use my free landing page. All you have to do is, I will put these links below this video. All you have to do, just replace your PayPal email address. Okay, remember, only your PayPal email address, so you can get a commission. If you need any help, just let me know. Put your comment below this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think, and good luck for you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.